Why, hello there. Just working on some LinkedIn stuff to share with you in this awesome new video. Check it out. Hi, I'm Chanel from Breeze Coaching Academy, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 7 top tips to boost engagement on LinkedIn. Please subscribe below, hit the bell notification if you want to receive all of my videos. So let's dive in and look at the 7 tips to boost engagement on LinkedIn. Number 1, connect with everyone that's on your email. LinkedIn automatically connects you with your email. So it's a very powerful tool. You already have a number of people in your emails that you can connect with when you're just getting started. So allow LinkedIn to connect with them. Tick the ones that you want to connect with, untick the ones that you don't, and voila, you've got a big network to start with. 2, send thanks for connecting inbox and mail. So by saying thank you for connecting and find out how you can help them. Who are they looking for referrals from? How can you help them? How can they help you? Tell them what you're looking for. LinkedIn is about mutually beneficial connections and referrals and building your businesses. So use that tool. Number 3, join groups. Join real estate groups, business groups, local groups. Where does your audience hang out? Where does your buyers hang out? Investors groups are a great one for real estate agents. Look at where your audience hangs out, because the majority of the time they're in those groups. So when you post content, you're going to be sharing them and commenting in those groups. Number 4, create content that is engaging and interesting. Share content, write LinkedIn articles. I love writing articles because it gets you a lot of authority. People want to learn from you. They want to know that you know your stuff. Create market videos and upload them directly to LinkedIn and transcribe them so that they've got subtitles and people can read them. Then what I do with my blog posts is I will take a few paragraphs from it, add it into my LinkedIn, use canva.com to create the graphic, add the title, add some key hashtags in, and then I don't put the whole blog post in, just a few paragraphs, then I link it back to my website, so I'm driving traffic to my website, and then I link in the video that I do with that blog post, because with your blog posts you can transcribe that video and voila, you've got a blog post. So you're doubly down on your content. Number 6, comment and engage with people on their posts. Also, send them an email, happy birthday emails, anniversary emails, congratulations on your work anniversary. What is it that you can connect? Interesting articles that you think that they may enjoy. Make sure that you're connecting and engaging in people's posts. And 7, endorse your LinkedIn connections. They've bothered to connect with you. What can you do to endorse them? Whether it's people that you've worked with in the past and you know them, or whether it's people that you don't quite know but you want to get to know a bit more, endorse them, engage in their content. What is your favorite tip or question that you have about LinkedIn? Comment below. Please subscribe, click the bell notification if you want to receive all my videos. And if you've enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.